Like, comment, share and subscribe. Welcome to the video on how to make money with e-commerce in 2023. E-commerce has come a long way in recent years, and there are many new opportunities for entrepreneurs to make money online. Step 1. Research new trends and technologies. One of the key ways to succeed in e-commerce in 2023 is to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. This includes things like artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, and the rise of mobile commerce. Take some time to research these trends and see how you can incorporate them into your business. Step 2. Choose a niche and a platform. Just like in any e-commerce business, it's important to choose a niche and a platform that will support your business. Consider what types of products or services are in demand and look for a platform that offers the features and tools you need to succeed. Step 3. Find suppliers and products. After you have a platform set up, you'll need to find suppliers for your products. Look for suppliers who are using cutting-edge technologies and who are able to offer high-quality products at a competitive price. Step 4. Set up your store. Once you have your products and suppliers lined up, it's time to set up your store. This includes adding product images and descriptions, setting up payment and shipping options, and customizing the look and feel of your store. Make sure to test your store thoroughly before launching it to ensure that everything is working properly. Step 5. Promote your store. There are many ways to promote your store and attract customers in 2023. Consider using social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, running ads on platforms like Facebook and Google, and using email marketing to stay in touch with your customers. You may also want to consider using new technologies like virtual and augmented reality to showcase your products in a unique and engaging way. Conclusion. E-commerce is constantly evolving, and in 2023 there are many new opportunities for entrepreneurs to make money online. By staying up to date on trends and technologies, choosing the right niche and platform, and promoting your business effectively, you can succeed in the world of e-commerce. I hope this outline gives you a good starting point for your video on how to make money with e-commerce in 2023. Good luck with your business.